1-inch diameter electrode that I'm going to run in an orbit, Z- direction. So first I'm going to set the tool. That's locked in, and now I'm going to do an edge search. Down in Z-axis to get close to the part. And we can zero out X and Y. And I go through edge search to find location, but for just a quick run here. Now we go into edge search. Z- mode, set 0, back off distance, run. It'll pick up the top of the part automatically. Zoom in on it. I'm not going to come down a little closer to the part, but show the screen. Then we hit enter. It's our back off distance. And now we can go into, let's do that again. Pause it. Run the edge search again. And clean my part. Okay, that's a good depth. Now we're going to go and create a program based on our electrode and our orbit function. So we're going to come up with a new name. Now our orbit function is E20. Now we go into selecting the electrode. We're burning 100 thou deep. Circular expansion, that's the orbiting. We're going to burn graphite into steel positive. You can scroll up and down like that. Enter. This is our size of our electrode. We'll go a little more aggressive on that. This is in metric, so 1 inch to 100 on 100 millimeter. Cylinder is what we're running, and then this is for entering fine or entering rough. We're going to just enter rough. And now we create a data sheet. Now you can choose from a data sheet wear factor. If you're looking for better speed, you can put that in. But these are choices that you can make, and usually the top choice is your best choice, so we'll just go with that for the sake of argument. Now you get choices of how many lines of code to run, and the finishes and offsets and wear, etc. I usually run a 3, and then you do an output, and there's our orbiting function, the orbit radius created. These are various things. If you change, if you want to orbit more or orbit deeper, these are where you put the changes. And here's our automatically created burn parameters. So we can exit out of that. I like to save it. Now we can run it. So I'm bringing up our oil. Filling the tank. Pause it.
Alright, you're on.
Okay, now we're starting the program. The right file, demo 3. And we're cutting.